Hey everybody, Don Dabney, owner of Left Coast Classics, and it's truly an amazing and exquisite, I don't use that word too much, but this truly is exquisite. It's a 1947 Oldsmobile Series 68 convertible. It's been just completely nut bolt rotisserie restored, and it's wow. Anyway, in this video I'm going to take you around the car, I'm going to take you under the car, but first I'm going to take you for a ride in it. With this Oldsmobile, it just starts right up in the morning. You know, you get a couple bumps, hit the button, and it's running. It runs smoothly and nicely, and it just gets down the road great. Everything in the car is in working order. The radio, horn, wipers, blinkers. It has aftermarket blinkers installed. Even the lighter is working. I think the only thing not working is the fuel gauge, but I'll put that in the description. Otherwise, it is highly, I mean, it's really functional. It's beautiful. You kind of feel like you're driving in a practically brand new, you know, 40s Oldsmobile. It's great. You know, the braking, the steering, the suspension, everything just feels like it would have felt right out of the factory. It's all fresh and gone through and just turnkey and ready to enjoy. And I'll tell you what, it feels great on this sunny Sunday afternoon cruising around in this car. It's just so special. All right, well, my hair's gone crazy. Anyway, thanks for sticking around. There's a lot more ahead, so be sure to stay tuned. We're going to still take you under the car and a bunch of other things. And if you'd like, you can like and subscribe. That would be great. We're somewhere near 9 million views on my YouTube channel now as we get into the spring of 2023. So I'd love it if you'd want to hit the subscribe button. A lot of the time you're not buying a particular car, but it's actually kind of fun because I'm always cruising around in great cars up here in the wine country or at my place down in Southern California. And be sure to check us out on 3 episodes of Wheeler Dealers, the greatest car show, I think, on the planet. It's my favorite. And we did this one here a long time ago, back in the Ed China days, a 57 Ford Thunderbird. And then later, I think 2018, we did this Alfa, or no, it wasn't an Alfa, it was a Lancia Fulvia, this one. And then we did a really cool episode on a one-owner Triumph TR4 back at the end of 2020. And then the show went back to England. I can't believe it. That sucked. Well, I might have to go to England if I want to be on it again. Anyway, check all those out. Be sure to subscribe. You can call or text me directly at this number right here. And if you want to see all the content, there's way more content on my website than anywhere else. So head on over here to leftcoastclassics.com, leftcoastclassics.com. And all right, thanks for checking it out. Okay, so this is the first time I have put this on the rack, and I'm blown away at how perfect this car is underneath. The 47 Olds. Check this out. It's like a brand new car. Every little fitting, every little piece of rubber, everything has been done on this car. So it's truly amazing. I mean, look at this. All the bushings. Everything's been professionally powder coated. Get all the way up in here into all the suspension bushings. Just truly, just beautiful. Amazing. So this is, it's really a stunning car. It's as if it's coming right out of the showroom back in the day. You go up in here and you can see the inner wells are all just beautiful. Everything's finished nicely. All the correct nuts and bolts, it appears, have been used. You know, the finish is incredible under the car. It looks as good under the car as it does at the top of it. So, anyway, all new down here as of whenever it was restored. Truly amazing. Truly a show car, I think. All right, so I'm going to go around with the magnet, and I also want to point out what's so great on this car is most of these restorations, you see thin paint at the bottom, and the care isn't taken. This is just as nice at the bottom of the car as it is at the top, and it's so beautifully done. So first, let's look at these gaps. They're just perfect. They're so good. So much time was spent on this. They really just got it totally right. All the beadings beautifully installed, the mud covers, everything is so nicely done on it. So that's important. And when you go down low, you know, just the right bolts, and you know, there's no overspray or anything weird. You know, the weep holes are in great original shape. So it's really impressive. So let's take the magnet. I don't know how much we need to do this, so I know it's going to stick, but like to do this just to give you a sense of how, you know, if a car has filler or not. You can just hear this light little magnet grabbing this thing like crazy. So you're not getting a car full of filler, you're really getting a super properly restored car. Let's head over to the other side. You know, picking it up on this side, I mean, look at the frame and just all the detail under there, how nice that is. That is so cool to see something done this well. All right, picking it up with the magnet. You know, a lot of this you can see from the undercarriage shots, and you saw the undercarriage portion in the video. This owner has restored a bunch of cars, and so this was the most recent one he did, and he just, you know, he did it like a guy that's going to own it. All these little tiny details on the car are so nice, and the attention to everything is over the top. So anyway, there you go. Beautiful.